Grabe, ang intense.
I will
But
answer
probably
this.
like what you don't like about your
like
flaws.
what your,
You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Ako may figure. May figure.
Figure.
May figure. May figure.
I love it. Oh, my nose. I don't like my nose.
What? Why?
It's big.
No, it's not.
It
Is it?
is. No, because I have dimples on my nose.
On both sides.
Yeah, and then
ano?
when I was young, people used to think that it was dirt, but it was actually like
An indentation.
an indentation. And they're like, Rebecca, may dumi ka sa ilong mo.
Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Because it's really Rebecca. And I'm just like, that is not.
You actually have an actual
those
dimple.
are dimples on
Oh my
nose.
gosh.
She's a dimple.
And they
Yeah.
look weird.
It's just you never see them because she never smiles.
We should
What?
we should give her a new name just for the show.
What?
Kung Rebecca siya.
Rebechos.
No, Beck.
Beck.
Beck. That was actually a nickname. You know
Yeah,
that?
I know. Right?
No, but it was Bic, guys. You. But yes.
Diba, maganda siya.
Sasapakin kita.
Kasi Becca.
So, alam mo, ikaw ha?
Tawa ko sa mukha mo, my God.
Ikaw ha?
Oy, that's a common name, ha?
Yeah,
Beck,
of course.
Beck. It is.
Yeah.
Diba? Pwede yun na. Or Becky.
Let's
Yeah.
just go with Becky.
Becky.
Ayaw mo ng Beck?
No.
Well, hindi naman sa ayaw ko.
OMG.
But it's not up to me. It's not up to me. It's your name. Obviously, it's your...
Guys.
Ay, nako.
Let's move on.
Move on.
Ikaw. Ano mas feel mo?
Bea na lang.
Di mo masyadong feel yung Beck?
Bea na lang.
Nasanay na ako sa Bea.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah. I mean,
of course,
you
of
can't
course.
naman undo that. I understand.
Homer Sweet Home says, sige, ito hindi to funny, as in, it's an earnest entry for an adult slum book.
Okay.
Homer Sweet Home says, adult slum book questions. What do you think is your purpose in life? Inay, it's so loaded.
Wow.
I know.
It's like, good
At
Lord.
saka, like, for you to say naman what your purpose in life is, it's just so like, really? Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Parang,
Sige ako, I can answer.
Okay.
Kasi, I mean, I'm not saying that it's the most important thing that I've done in my life.
Okay.
But I'm just saying that being on radio,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
being on radio is the one activity that I do in my life na pinakamarami yung reach.
Natatamaan.
Yeah. That's true.
So
Okay.
I would say, although I don't know if I would rank it as the most important thing I've ever
Yeah.
done,
But it
but for
has
sure,
yeah.
siya yung pinakamalawak yung reach.
True.
Yeah,
So
for
I
sure.
guess to entertain.
To
You know,
entertain.
that's the...
I'm not very entertaining.
In the same... Yeah, you can be.
Unwittingly.
Hey!
Without actually
No,
having done.
That's the thing. Like on the radio, Chico says like to entertain because
Yeah.
you know you're funny, and I'm just like,
Yeah, but like
what
outside
do
of radio,
I do?
you're... Are you? No, I don't
Funny?
think you
No,
are.
I'm not very
No, I don't think you are.
I'm analyzing it kasi.
Ang sama na ugali. At saka, nakakatawa. It wasn't
It's so honest.
it wasn't meant to make people
No,
laugh.
yeah, no.
It was serious.
Yeah, no.
I don't think you are.
You're not
You
that
know why?
as
Because
well.
like, kunwari, in my own barkada, I'm not the funniest one. I'm nowhere near the funniest
Actually.
one. Diba? Like, and I like paying attention to other people when I'm outside of radio.
Yeah.
But when you had mentioned the whole purpose thing, I thought about it and I was like, I'm not sure if I would rank it as the most
Yeah,
important
but
thing in my
for
life.
men, I
Exactly
guess.
like what you said. Na, but
Yung reach niya ang laki.
Yeah, but
Oo eh.
like okay for me, like technically I've only been on the radio for like 3